What's going on YouTube? Geosnoid here. Today we're discussing Unc0ver Jailbreak for iOS 18.3.1 and lower. Yes, it's one of those. So if you go here to Unc0ver.vip, it shows that the Unc0ver Jailbreak works with iOS 18.3.1, which as you probably know, it's not the case. The original Unc0ver works on iOS 14.8 all the way down to iOS 11, and the original Unc0ver is at Unc0ver.dev, not Unc0ver.vip. Why does this matter? Who falls for this? Well, people in the jailbreak community apparently, because here in the Reddit jailbreak, somebody posted, I installed a fake application, how do I uninstall it? They said, I've installed a fake app called Unc0ver.vip, how do I uninstall this app? And if I can't uninstall it, do I have to reset my whole entire phone? The answer is no, you don't have to do that. However, it goes to show that even the people in the jailbreak community who are actually accustomed with real jailbreaks and know how to differentiate between fake and legit jailbreaks tend to fall for this kind of stuff, especially if they are beginners. The Unc0ver.vip over here is essentially just like any other fake jailbreak that I have seen for iOS 18, 17, or any other version. You would click on it and it would navigate to a page to install a profile usually, and that profile goes to a fake page. Now if you go here to inspect element, you can see that it tries to go to Unc0ver.vip and try to get the mobile config. On an iOS device this would try to install it just like an app, but since we're on a computer it wouldn't do anything. But I can download the profile and we can analyze it. So we have here the profile and I'm going to try to open it in a text editor because this way we can see exactly the content. You can see it's full of data, including some base 64 encoded stuff like the icon and whatever, and you can bet it uses the original Unc0ver icon to fool people, because that's how this fake jailbreaks tend to work. They use a real name from a real jailbreak, a real icon, and a domain name for the website that is very similar to the original one, so that it fools the people who do not know any better. This is what it's going to try to add to your home screen. An application like icon for Unc0ver that once tapped, it would go to jailbreak.unc0ver.vip. And now we can actually go inside a browser and try to see where this is going. And there you go. It looks like the Unc0ver jailbreak. Actually, they did a pretty good copycat job on recreating the Unc0ver jailbreak user interface. This seems to be framework 7 actually, which simulates iOS quite well, but this is not a legitimate jailbreak. Even though it says in here for iOS 11.0 up to 18.3.1, this is not going to work. If you press jailbreak, it tries to jailbreak the Chrome browser on a computer. So you can tell it's fake. It's a fake progress bar, fake information being given. And then it says jailbreak nearly finished. Oh goody. Let's see where it takes us. An error occurred. You need to avoid Apple security checks. Let's see how we can avoid Apple security checks. Apparently by going here and get your rewards here, get new iPhone 16 Pro here, or completing whatever survey. If you see something like this, it's 100% fake. This is not going to work ever, but you will be scammed out of some money because you're going to try to complete the offer, which usually requires signing up with your phone number for something, and you will be billed on your phone bill. So do not do this. Do not fall for this kind of stuff. If you want to find real legit jailbreaks, go here to iDeviceCentral.com, click on the jailbreak tools, and I do maintain in here a list for all iOS versions and all devices, and if there is no jailbreak available, you will be told so. So definitely check that one out. As for people who do fall for this kind of stuff, you can uninstall it. However, if you already managed to give them money or to, enroll your phone number into one of those survey scams, it will be much harder for you to actually cancel it. So yeah, that's basically it. Go ahead, check iDeviceCentral.com on the jailbreak tools section for real legit jailbreaks. And this video is brought to you by 8ksec. They teach you how to find iOS vulnerabilities, build real iOS jailbreaks, and of course create exploits for iOS. They have the Offensive iOS Internals course that goes in depth on the iOS kernel, reverse engineering, and all the skills you need in order to be able to find vulnerabilities, exploit them, and build jailbreaks. So definitely check it out. Thank you for watching. I'm Geosnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, be careful, and peace out.